Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 19, Instruments Payable on Demand. Section 19 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 clarifies when certain negotiable instruments are considered payable on demand. This provision plays an important role in determining the time of payment and the rights of the holder to claim the amount due. 1. Statutory provision. Section 19 states that a promissory note or bill of exchange in which no time for payment is specified, as well as a cheque, is payable on demand. This means that where no specific date or period for payment is mentioned, the amount becomes due immediately upon demand by the holder. 2. Meaning of payable on demand. An instrument is said to be payable on demand when it is payable immediately upon presentation without the need for prior notice. In such cases, the holder has the right to claim payment at any time, meaning the amount becomes due whenever it is demanded. 3. Application to promissory notes. If a promissory note does not specify any maturity date or mention a period such as after 30 days or after sight, it is treated as payable on demand. For example, the statement, "I promise to pay B 50,000 rupees, contains no time for payment and is therefore payable on demand. 4. Application to bills of exchange. Similarly, if a bill of exchange does not state a time for payment or contain terms such as after sight, after date, or a specified future date, it is regarded as payable on demand. For example, the direction, pay B 10,000 rupees, without any time frame makes the amount immediately payable upon demand. 5. Cheques are always payable on demand. Section 19 specifically provides that every cheque is payable on demand, regardless of whether any time is mentioned. This is because a cheque is intended for immediate payment upon presentation to the bank and functions as a substitute for cash, thereby making it inherently a demand instrument. 6. Difference between demand instruments and time instruments. A. Demand instruments. An instrument payable on demand is payable immediately upon presentation and does not have a specified maturity date. Examples include cheques and promissory notes in which no time for payment is stated. B. Time instruments. An instrument payable after a specified period includes terms such as 30 days after date and requires calculation of its maturity. Section 19 clarifies that where no time for payment is mentioned, the instrument automatically defaults to payable on demand. 7. Legal significance. The classification of an instrument as payable on demand affects the right of immediate enforcement, the calculation of the limitation period, the requirement of presentment, and the accrual of interest where applicable. In the case of demand instruments, the holder may present them at any time and seek payment accordingly. For more details, contact us.